Welcome to Cook with Ms. Zhang. Today, we're making a delicious stir-fry dish that's colorful, full of texture, and packed with flavor. Broccoli bell pepper tender beef, a simple yet satisfying meal that comes together beautifully when done right. Start with your broccoli. Take one medium head and cut it into small, bite-sized florets. Make sure they're not too big. They should cook quickly and evenly in the wok. Then, slice a few stalks of green onion. Next, grab a bell pepper. Slice it into thin strips about the same size as the broccoli for even cooking. Finally, mince about 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. Now, let's work on the beef. Use about half a pound of ribeye cut beef. Slice it against the grain. This helps make it tender. Then, sprinkle on a bit of baking soda to tenderize further. Let it rest for 15 minutes. After that, rinse the beef thoroughly to remove all the baking soda. This prevents a soapy taste. Pat it completely dry with paper towels before marinating. This is important. The marinade won't stick to wet beef. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch. 1 teaspoon of oil. And 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. Mix that all together until the beef is evenly coated. Let's cook the veggies first. Heat up the pan until smoky hot, then add oil. Salt, bell pepper, and broccoli. Gently shake the pan to coat the bell peppers in oil and help them cook evenly. tip here is keeping the heat high when cooking veggies. High heat helps the veggies lose their raw taste, while staying perfectly crunchy, not soggy in a short moment of time. If the wok's too dry, splash in a little oil. Then stir fry until it's just brown. Next, add a little more oil if needed, and sear your marinated beef in a single layer. Let it sit untouched for about 30 seconds to get a nice sear. Once the beef is mostly cooked with some pieces browned and a bit of red still showing, don't worry. Thanks to the technique we used, the beef will stay juicy, tender, and pleasantly bouncy in texture. Now toss in the bell peppers and return the broccoli to the wok. Finally, toss in the green parts of the green onion. Toss everything together. Give it one last mix and turn off the heat. Just look at how juicy that beef is, absolutely gorgeous. Transfer everything to a serving plate or bowl. You've got vibrant colors from the peppers and broccoli, glistening tender beef, and that glossy, garlicky sauce coating every bite. Serve it hot with a bowl of steamed rice or noodles on the side. Or try a tender beef burrito. It might just be the tasty surprise that brightens your day. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time.